Good morning students. Class 10 General Mathematics video number 73 NCERT book chapter 10 chapter name is circle. So this one is the first theorem which is given in circle in class 10 chapter 10. So theorem is what? Theorem number 10.1. There is written the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. That means we have to prove tangent PQ. We have considered tangent TQ, and this PQ tangent is perpendicular with the radius OP. So first of all, we are taking some points P1, P2, P3, P4. So about radius, that one already mentioned there, this one, radius. So OP is the radius. About tangent, written there. So we have taken tangent TQ. These two things are given, and about circle. We have to consider one circle. And whatever things we are considering extra, that one is what? P1, P2, P3, P4, these 4 points, and we are drawing some line OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4. These things are extra. So these things are additional. Just for help we are considering this. So these things we have to mention in the part of construction. First part means here we are writing about the diagram, that means introduction part. Introduction of the diagram, just we have written, let COR be a circle where TQ is a tangent at point of contact P of the circle, and OP is the radius of the circle which is drawn at point of contact P of the tangent TQ. It is the introduction part. Now we need to prove what? We need to prove OP perpendicular on tangent TQ. OP perpendicular on tangent TQ. Okay. So to prove OP perpendicular on TQ, something we are considering extra. And that one is what? On this tangent TQ, we are taking some points P1, P2, P3, P4. These all the points are external point. These points are external point. Why external? Because these all the points are outside the circle. And why we are considering these points? Because there is one rules. Suppose this one is a line. This one is a line. Suppose PQ line, and it is a point, suppose O. Just to think, this one is our tangent PQ line, and it is one point O. Then we have drawn many line segments. To the given line, and this point is not on this line. From this external point which is not on this line, we have drawn many line segments. Suppose that name are this one P, P1, P2, P3, P4. So many line segments we have drawn, and there is one rules. What is the rules? Which one is shortest? So many lines are there. OP1, OP2, OP, OP3, OP4. So many lines are there. We have drawn these all the lines from this external point to a given line. So these all the lines we have drawn from external point. But which one is shortest? Shortest is which one? OP is the shortest. So there is one rules. Which one is shortest? That one is perpendicular to the line. Which one is shortest? That one is perpendicular to the line. So many line segments we have drawn from this external point to a given line TQ, but which line segment is shortest, that one is perpendicular to the line. That one is one rules. Okay, so these rules we have to apply here. Okay, now thing is this, in case of this, you see, we have to prove first of all OP is the shortest. Number one, first of all we have to prove OP is the shortest. OP is radius, that thing's already mentioned there. Radius, that means OP is the radius, that one already mentioned. Okay, here already mentioned OP is the radius. OP is the radius, already mentioned. So just keep proof OP is the shortest. That means this OP is shorter than OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4. Okay. So first of all you prove OP is the shortest. But how you will prove OP is shortest? How you will prove OP is shortest? So there is one concept related to circle. Radius of a circle is always more than, suppose this one is the radius, and there we have taken one external point, and already we have written P1, P2, P3, P4. These all the points are external point for the circle, but these all the points are remain on the line. We have drawn line segments OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4 to some external points P1, P2, P3, P4 of the circle, where all these points are on the tangent of the circle. That means already in the construction part I have mentioned that P1, P2, P3, P4, these 4 points are external, but they are on the line segment. That means it is the tangent, that all the points are present on the line. But thing is this, P1, P2, P3, P4, these all points are external. So there is one concept, what? Distance between center and the external point is always more than the radius of the circle. Because this external point P1 is the external point. That's why this distance is more than the radius of the circle. It is one concept. So first of all we have to apply this concept. Secondly, this concept we have to apply. Two things. So first of all we have to prove OP is the shortest. Then we can write OP perpendicular on the line TQ, which is the tangent for the circle. So how written, just you see. Proof. Since distance between an external point of a circle is always more than the radius of that circle, so we can write OP is less than, OP distance is less than what? OP1, comma, OP distance is less than OP2, OP less than OP3, OP less than OP4. That means this OP distance, which is radius, this one is less than the other distances. That means length of other line segment. OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4. So just from this statement we can write, here you see OP less than, OP less than, OP less than, OP less than. That means OP is the shortest. So written OP is the shortest line segment which is drawn from the center to the points, or center to the point of contact of the circle. So OP is the shortest, already proved. If OP is shortest, then we can write OP perpendicular on TQ. Why we can write OP perpendicular on TQ? By these rules. What is the rules? Written. See, out of all the line segments, which are the line segments? OP1, OP2, OP3, OP4, these are the line segment, and OP also. Out of all the line segments, written what? Comma, drawn from a point to the points. Drawn from a point to the points, plural number, to the points P1, P2, P3, P4. These are the points. drawn from a point to the points on a line. To the points of a line, not passing through the point. Not passing through the point, that means this line is not passing through this point. Not passing through the point, come on. The smallest is the perpendicular to the line. That means so many line segments are there, OP1, OP2, OP, OP3, OP4. But out of all the line segment, OP is the shortest. And which one is shortest? In the rules already written, which one is shortest? That one is perpendicular to the line. That one is perpendicular to the line. So already we have proved that OP is the shortest. So OP is perpendicular to the line TQ. But TQ is what? In the introduction already we have mentioned TQ is what? TQ is the tangent. So OP is perpendicular to the tangent TQ. Hence proved.